Hello people, welcome to Eagle Leather Trading Co. I am Michael Eagle,
and this is the Leather Revolution.
Today I'd like to introduce you to a backpack I just completed. Comes complete with its own knife and matching sheath. It's got a little safety retention strap where it mounts, and another little retention strap over the sheath. And it does have a little safety strap on the front, a chest strap. So when I'm riding, I don't have to worry about the shoulders blowing off. Also made a little mount attachment for the Casso camera for the bike. Kind of digging it. Kind of liking the look. It's not bad. Let's take a look at how I made it. Okay, so we're going to end up doing rivets on the buckles and the belts. Alright, so now, I guess I'll go ahead and tackle that before I do the gussets. I could do the front of the gusset, attach it to this front one and leave the back open. I think I'll go ahead and do that first. Let's do the buckles. So on lacing, can actually just like get you a long piece of thread in there and then cut it every time you're done. Instead of like the saddle stitch, just pull it all the way, leave enough to tie. Playing with fire. Now just pull those out, and that should butt those ends up nicely. Try to pull it apart. Nope. It's a good keeper. Now we'll slide that over one piece. That way when we rivet this down, we'll get one rivet here to close it, and then one rivet down here. Big bucklage. Oh yeah. And 4 buckle ends ready to go. Let's mark these belts real quick, and then we'll start riveting. That looks good. Punch a little hole here, mark it underneath, punch it. That looks good. Punch it, hole. Alright, let's put this little piece of leather for a pad. See it lift up right there? See it lift that up? Let's go ahead and set the rivets on the buckle. Let's use the setter. Might as well we can, right? Set that on. Oh. Oh, that's off a little bit. Alright, let's punch some holes on our little belt part. And we'll start with shoot for the middle. And flush down here, we'll go for the 1 inch. Go from Oh yeah, all the buckles are set. I'm gonna wait until I get the gussets and the back on before I set these. That'll be easy enough because this can always flip up. And I can get to these to rivet easily. Cool.